Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to Sukraful Quran channel. We are start our next chapter, Surah Al-Baqarah, ayat number 56 to 59. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. ثم بعثناكم من بعد موتكم لعلكم تشكرون. Then we raised you up after your death so that you might be grateful. Ayat number 57. وَذَلَّلْنَا عَلَيْكُمُ الْغَمَامَ وَأَنزَلْنَا عَلَيْكُمُ الْمَنَّ وَالسَّلْوَىٰ كُلُوا مِن طَيِّبَاتِ مَا رَزَقْنَاكُمْ وَمَا ظَلَمُونَا وَلَكِن كَانُوا أَنفُسَهُمْ يَظْلِمُونَ. Translation. And we shaded you with fruit and sent down on you al-manna and the cues, saying, eat of the good, lawful things we have provided for you. But they rebelled, and they did not wrong us, but they wronged themselves. Ayat number 58. وَإِذْ قُلْنَا ادْخُلُوا هَٰذِهِ الْقَرْيَةَ فَكُلُوا منها حيث شئتم رغدا وادخلوا الباب سجدا وقولوا حطة نغفر لكم خطاياكم وسنزيد المحسنين. And remember when we said, enter this town and eat beautiful therein with pleasure and delight wherever you wish, and enter the gate in prostration or bowing with humility, and say, forgive us, and we shall forgive you your sins and shall increase reward for the good doers. Ayat number 59. وَبَدَّلَ الَّذِينَ ظَلَمُوا قَوْلًا غَيْرَ الَّذِي قِيلَ لَهُمْ فَأَنزَلْنَا عَلَى الَّذِينَ ظَلَمُوا رِجْزًا مِنَ السَّمَاءِ بِمَا كَانُوا يَفْسُقُونَ. But those who did wrong changed the world from that which had been told to them for another. So we sent upon the wrongdoers rich punishment from the heaven because of their rebelling against Allah's obedience.